explain me, explain to me. Which one is it? Hey everyone, let's talk about the verb to explain. First of all, this verb means to make something clear or easy to understand. First, the verb explain can be without an object. So I could say, please explain, or she will explain, or can you explain? It can also have a direct object. So we could say, please explain this grammar, or she will explain this grammar, or can you please explain this grammar? The tricky part comes whenever you mention the person that is hearing or receiving your explanation. Every time you mention that person, you need to use to. So you need to say, for example, she will explain the grammar to you. Or could you explain the grammar to me? One more thing. If your direct object is short, we usually put that right after our verb. For example, please explain this grammar to me. But if our direct object is many words, if it's long, then we put to me or to you after the verb. For example, please explain to me why we need to learn this grammar. Right? Why we need to learn this grammar is really long. So we want to keep the to me close to our verb explain. Okay, I hope that this explanation of explain to me was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.